Hi, my name is Ankush Agnihotri. This is the continuation of the Angular series. This is part 14 of it. If you haven't watched the other part, I suggest you to watch that first. Link is in description, and also please subscribe the channel to get the latest notification. So today we will talk about the Angular dialog. So basically, mostly in most of the application we need it the Angular dialog for showing some information on the web. So for this demo we are using the Angie Prime theme, in which we will implement their model dialog like this, and we will show our user information for this aim. So the first step is we need to import the dialog module of the prime ng module, and this inherited from the dialog module prime ng / dialog. This is the first step that we need to be do it. Second is on the user list component we need to be declared a variable named as selected user. So what we are doing is we are introducing a new button in our table list, and on click of it we will show the user information for the selected user. So we declare one variable and we define one method show user info, in which we are passing user and we assign it, and we will show a variable named as display basic. This is the basic dialog we are using, so I am using this property to showing it. So the next part is open your userlist.component.html file, introduce a new button named as view. So we are using this link, icon link, pi external link, to introducing a new button. On click of this we will open one dialog. So this is the third step, we need to be introduce a button. The next step is you need to be introduce your dialog. So for using a dialog we are using a prime ng theme. So this is a p dialog we are using. In header property you have to pass your definition, or basically a heading of your dialog, then the property that you are using it for displaying it, next its width and height, and basically the z index if you want to use it. Then what I am using is I am displaying a selected user and I am showing its data into the JSON format simply, and on the footer I have one simple close button on which I am changing its display property to false. So let's open a terminal, run the application. So it will compile our application and run the application on the local port 4200. It's done now. So go to the user listing page. Over there we have a link. I click the link. So you will see a dialog will appear with the user information that we want to be display in the JSON format. You can use it anywhere. If I change this info heading to, let's say, user information, go to your code, minimize this, and on this you have changed your data user info. Save. It will compile your code. Go to the browser again, click the button again, you will see your header definition will be changed and it is movable too. So this we are using the prime ng dialog. You can use your theme. Basically if you are using the Angular material, so you can use the Angular material dialog. We will record a tutorial session on that also, but for this demo we are using the prime ng theme in whole series, so we are implementing this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.